Hey friends, so I find this very interesting way of making money. Have you ever signed up on any website and they give you this picture? They ask you how many cars do you see in the picture, but also they ask you to identify human in the picture. And if you have that experience, you can start making up to $26 just by identifying pictures on this website that I'm going to show you right now. And the good thing is that I'm going to show you proof on how much you can really make just by doing that. So let's dive in and see all this website and how this website is working. And the good thing about this is that everyone can do this. It's a very easy and a very simple thing that you can do to start making money online. So let's dive in and see all these procedures and all this process and how much you're really going to make just by doing that. And you have to start this today. So let's dive in. Now, before going forward, I really want to show you this proof on how people are talking about this website. If this website is really going to pay you just by identifying pictures. This person says that he get paid $35 per 1 hour, and this one says that he made good money on this platform. And right now I'm going to show you this testimony on how people are talking about this website before I go forward and show you how this website really works. So let's listen to this video a little bit and we're just going forward and I will show you how this website works.
Different.
I expected it to be some kind of gimmick, and it's not. I'm making a decent amount of money.
But one of the other great things about it is it's actually interesting work.
Alright, so we have more than 4 websites, and both of these websites are really going to pay you a decent amount of money just by identifying pictures. So let's start with our first website. Our very first website is called Limotitask, and on this platform you'll be given micro tasks to perform and get paid. For example, you can get this image, then you need to identify objects within an image, but also you'll be given a video. You have to watch this video, then you have to explain, you have to identify all the actions occurring in the video, and only by doing that you can get paid $26 per 1 hour, up to $30 per 1 hour, just by identifying actions and events that are occurring in a video, but also just by identifying objects within an image. So just by doing that you get paid a reasonable amount of money. And all these tasks given on this platform, they're very essential for training AI. So you performing this task is going to improve how AI is going to notice different things, but also this is really going to help AI development. So you're just going to stand there as AI teacher and you get paid. So this is a very interesting. All you want to do right now, you have to go to this website which is called Limotitask, and then you have to sign up and you have to choose available task. As you can see here, you have to choose available task that match with your skills. You need to start performing this task, and after that you can start making money on the platform. So right now let's go to our next website. Alright, so our next website is called Data Annotation Tech, and this website is going to pay you up to $40 per 1 hour just by doing a very simple task. And what exactly we're going to be doing on this platform is labeling image and videos to help AI to recognize objects and scene. So just by doing that you can get a reasonable amount of money, and this is a very interesting thing for you to start making money on this platform. So you have to go to this website which is called Data Annotation Tech, and you can sign up and start making money just by labeling images and videos. This is really going to help AI to recognize objects and scenes. So you have to go forward and you have to start making money. And the very good thing about this website is that I've read the reviews, and there are a lot of people who are reporting that they're making up to $60 per 1 hour. So the more complex your task is going to be on the platform, the more money you'll be making on the platform. So your money will be sent within 7 days, but also your money will be sent on your PayPal account or your bank transfer. So you really have to go forward and join on this platform, and you can see how much you're really going to make just by labeling images and videos, and you get paid. This is really going to help AI development. So you have to go forward and start making money just by doing that. And the good thing about this website, and what made me really have a trust on this website, is that this website alone has paid more than 15 million to different people around the world just by performing different tasks from the website. So you can see this website is very trusted, and you can also be part of those people who got paid from this website. So you may want to go ahead and try this website and see how much you're going to make for yourself. And let's go to our next website. The next website is called Hive Micro, and you can do the same job that you can do on the other website that I've mentioned before. And the good thing about this website is that you can work from anywhere in the world. As you can see, this person from India, he said that he got paid. The bad thing about this website is that you need to do a lot of tasks for you to make a lot of money. So if you have limited time, I think this is clearly not for you. But if you have extra time, you can go forward and start performing different tasks on this website, which is called Hive Micro, and you can get paid this amount of money, as you can see here, $80, $10, $100 in a given time. So you really have to go forward and join on this platform if you have extra time. So our last website is called Appen, and this platform is going to pay you $2 up to $10 per 1 hour, and your job will be to train AI, and this is going to help AI to create more effective AI solution. And on this platform, you are just going to do multiple tasks like identifying objects within images, and you have to explain the different actions that occurred in a given video that you have just watched from this website. And just by doing that, you can get paid $2 up to $10 on this website. You're not going to make a reasonable amount of money comparing to the first website that I mentioned in this video, but you can make it at least the extra money, and it can help you to pay some bills. So I think these are the most trusted website, as I always do on my videos. I always check all these reviews, how people are talking about a certain website, and after that I do video. I've never done a video that are really not working. So you have to go forward and you have to try one of these websites. As you can see here, I've showed you too many testimonies, too many good reviews, and people are saying that they get paid on this website. So the only thing that you want to do right now, you have to go forward and read again these reviews, and you have to make sure that a given website is available in your country, and you join on this website and start making money. You are not going to be asked about personal information. You just have to write necessary information for you to join on this platform and start making money. So thank you so much for watching my videos, and I really hope that this video is really going to help you to start making at least $200 a month, $300 a month, just by performing a very simple task, identifying images and all the stuff that I've mentioned in a video. Thank you so much for watching my videos. My name is Hans David, and I hope to see you next time. Thank you. I really appreciate that.